The Undersea Cleaning Spree, a Twinkle Original. Twinkle 原創故事，還我乾淨的家。
The sea is such a wondrous place with forests, reefs and caves. There are countless creatures living in a world beneath the waves. The water is their haven. It's the only home they know, while the up is somewhere unexplored where most will never go.
大海係個神奇嘅地方，裏邊有森林、珊瑚礁同埋好多嘅洞穴，有無數嘅海洋生物就係生活喺呢個隱藏喺浪花之下嘅世界。水底固然係佢哋嘅秘密基地啦，亦都係佢哋唯一嘅屋企。佢哋從來冇上過水面，亦都可能呢一世都唔會上去㗎。
One evening, Blub the octopus was sleeping in her bed when a stranger came and woke her up by landing on her head. "Oh, hi," said Blub. "You must be new. I've not seen you around." But the fish refused to answer her. It didn't make a sound.
有一日嘅夜晚，喺八爪魚布布瞓緊覺嘅時候，有一個陌生人跳咗去佢個頭上邊，將佢嘈醒咗啊！嗨，你一定係第一次嚟呢度係咪啊？我冇見過你喎，但係呢一條魚冇應佢，冇發出任何嘅聲音。
As days went by, more strangers came who also didn't talk. They were drifting down, but didn't seem to scuttle, swim, or walk. It wasn't long before they started getting in the way, causing harm to all the creatures as they tried to swim and play.
日子一日一日咁樣過去，出現咗越嚟越多呢啲唔會講嘢嘅陌生人，佢哋喺度飄下飄下，又唔識游水，又唔識行路。過咗冇幾耐，呢啲飄下飄下嘅嘢開始令到我哋嘅動物覺得好困擾啊！佢哋成日喺游水同埋玩嘅時候，俾呢啲嘢整親啦。
Blub wanted to be friendly, so she greeted those she found. But a manta ray called Manty swam up next to her and frowned. "Whoever are you talking to?" she asked. "There's no one there." "It's these fish," said Blub. "They're new here, but they only sit and stare."
布布原本諗住去同佢新嘅朋友打個招呼，但係魔鬼魚慢慢游咗過嚟，然之後皺住眉頭咁樣望住布布。佢問：你同邊個講緊嘢啊？呢度都冇魚。布布就話：我同啲魚講緊嘢啊，佢哋新嚟㗎。但係呢，佢哋淨係識得企喺度，唔係就係眼金金咁樣望住我。
"These things aren't fish," said Manty. "They've just fallen from the up. They are human things with silly names like bottle, bag and cup." "But don't the humans need them?" wondered Blub, a bit confused, and they hatched a plan to send them back to where they could be used.
慢慢就話：呢啲唔係魚嚟㗎，呢啲嘢係喺上邊嗰個世界度跌落嚟㗎。啲人類叫佢哋做膠樽、膠袋、膠杯。布布一頭霧水咁樣問：但係啲人類唔需要呢啲嘢咩？於是佢哋就諗咗一個計劃，將呢啲嘢送返去可以被再次利用嘅地方。
The up was quite a scary place, but Blub was feeling brave, so she swam towards the surface where she bobbed upon a wave. She then began to throw things, first with one arm, then with 8. Having lots of arms for throwing was a really useful trait.
水上面嘅世界真係好可怕，但係布布好勇敢咁樣游到水面，跟住海浪一直飄啊飄。然後佢就開始掉嘢啦，先用一隻手， 再用晒佢8隻手。原來有8隻手都係幾有用㗎。
Let's dive back down, said Manti, and collect up even more. So they gathered lots of objects and returned them to the shore. It wasn't long till other creatures started cleaning too, from across the seas and oceans from the Arctic to Peru.
慢慢就話：快啲行啦，我哋潛落去水底再帶多啲嘢上嚟呀！佢哋收集咗好多好多物件，將佢哋全部掉返晒去個海岸上邊。過咗冇幾耐，其他嘅海洋生物都一齊幫手清理，越過一個又一個嘅海洋，從北極走到去秘魯。
The creatures threw some items and then some others, then some more. They created many massive piles of rubbish on the shore. The humans moaned and grumbled as the clutter clogged their space. We should throw it out to sea, said one. This mess is a disgrace.
呢班動物掉完一樣嘢上去，再掉第二樣嘢，再掉第3樣嘢，喺岸邊製造咗一堆堆嘅垃圾。啲垃圾影響到人類嘅空間啦，佢哋就抱怨話：呢啲嘢全部都要掉返去海入邊，搞到個海灘咁樣，實在太過分啦。
A little boy saw Blub and all the creatures in the bay. It's not fair, he said. If we don't want this rubbish, why would they? He stood upon a rock and then began to make a speech. We should really find a better way to tidy up the beach.
有一個小男孩見到岸邊布布同埋其他嘅海洋生物，佢就話：咁唔公平！如果我哋都唔想要呢啲垃圾，點解佢哋又會想要呢？佢企咗喺大石上面，大聲咁講：我哋要揾一個更好嘅辦法嚟清潔呢一個沙灘。
The people soon took action as his plea was understood, and they sorted all the rubbish to reuse the bits they could. They quickly worked together till the beach was litter-free, so the things no longer needed wouldn't end up in the sea.
大家都同意小男孩嘅說法，好快就開始咗行動啦。佢哋將垃圾好好咁樣分類，轉眼間透過大家嘅努力，成個沙灘都已經乾淨晒啦，啲垃圾更加唔使返返去海入邊啦。
When all the waste had gone, the humans gathered by the shore, and they promised that the things they used would harm the sea no more. They tried to use less plastic and instead did all they could to use eco-friendly objects made from glass, bamboo and wood.
所有垃圾都消失咗之後，大家聚集喺海邊，承諾我哋一定要好好保護海洋。佢哋開始減少塑膠嘅使用，盡可能用由玻璃、竹或者木頭製成嘅環保產品。
The creatures smiled and cheered because the ocean was now clean. It was safer and much nicer when their home was so pristine. The water is their haven, it's the only home they know, and the up's now full of people who protect what's down below.
耶！海洋生物都歡呼，因為依家海入邊非常之乾淨。佢哋嘅屋企終於恢復返原本嘅樣貌啦，可以安全咁樣玩遊戲。水底係呢班海洋生物嘅秘密基地，亦都係佢哋唯一嘅屋企。生活喺水面上面第2個世界嘅人類，依家就知道點樣去好好保護海洋啦。希望你都鍾意呢個 Twinkle 原創故事《The Undersea Cleaning Spree》，還我乾淨的家啦〜